Dealing with the System Web HTTP Utility Library DLL runtime error interrupting your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this library conflict. As we look at the manual steps for System Web HTTP Utility Library, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the System Web HTTP Utility Library, the .NET assembly providing helper methods for web-related tasks, such as URL encoding and HTML decoding. If corrupted, specialized desktop tools and localized web portals will report an assembly load failure when attempting to process remote API responses. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The standard manual fix is a full reinstallation of Microsoft.NET. Grab the latest x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from the Microsoft website and run them to restore the missing dependency. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the System Web HTTP utility library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of System Web HTTP Utility Library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing System Web HTTP Utility Library and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored System Web HTTP Utility Library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.